I go hard, I'm in the paint, Bogart niggas. The only time you get bucked when you poppin' jiggers. No competition, what's the business? It's all about getting money, keeping it flippin'. Call my connect, I caught 2 chickens. With the baking soda, blew it up to 4 pigeons. I don't worry about the feds, I got big balls. Stash the yay at the chick house for a phone card. Smoke marijuana daily, no detox. And my pockets got more bills than a mailbox. I'm out of my mind, sometimes I'm scared of myself. You on that dust like the Swiffer hit the top shelf. When you young, you like a big ass around titties. When you get older, credit score 750. I'ma stay on top regardless of the situation. I wanna get fat laughing, with a lot of paper.
Box City, I go hard when I lay down crack. Concrete, I go hard when I lay down tracks. I go hard just to sleep when I lay down max. Yup, hard to the max. All you fraud niggas wax like a star in the fan mix. I blow hard as a sax, hard as a baritone. Yup, hard to the max. Well, it's a baby band. The speakers beating hard in the back. Cash on deck, front pocket card in the back. Guntown and Chopper City, look for y'all in the back. Donsonville, L-Town, and be y'all where you at. The Buddha's like the fucking hardest of the hard in America. Shout out to Big Newman and them boys up in Maryland. Man, I'm aware of them. I call them Aryans. Hitting on the nigga cause I far slipped ahead of them. My style nasty, get disgusting in here. And I got drink and plenty of stink up in the air. That's cause I go hard.
I go hard.